Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you see today, I have another haul video for you. I know I've been doing a lot of Hermes unboxing, but I promise you this is not for myself. Or maybe there's one very special item that I got for myself, but the other two are actually gifts, and so I'm not planning to keep it myself. But the special thing about this orange boxes is that I got this from the airport. So fortunately, I don't need to pay, taxes for these items. That pretty much like giving me a 10% discount. So I super appreciate that. So initially, I was a little bit worried that, the airport might not have like the stuff that I was looking for, because like 2 of the 3 items that I got are pretty sought after, and you will find out very soon. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. There's a reason I brought my red Birkin here, because the item that I got for myself is actually meant for this gorgeous baby. So let's do the unboxing together. So can you guess what it is? I'm sure a lot of people will guess that this is a rodeo or like a back charm, but it's not. Honestly, I've never seen people like posting about this, and I don't even know like what it is. But see, like it comes with 2 segments. Ta-da! So it's a twilly. Okay, let me see, like what's the name for this twilly? Okay, so it's called Twillion, Jungle Love Rainbow Twillion. Okay, let me show you in details. So it's a very long twillion, as you can see. And my essay showed me that you can potentially use it as a belt. Obviously, it doesn't really match with my, outfit today, because like I'm wearing like a yellow dress. But when I look at this twilly, I was like, it will go perfectly with my red Birkin. So let me show you on the back of the handle, because in the front, I've already got it a very gorgeous twilly. So on the back, you can see the color really matches with the red Birkin here. And to be honest, like when I match twillies with the Birkin bag, I usually go for, like the similar color. So for example, if my bag, let's say it's red, so I will usually match it with like a red twilly. Or sometimes I will match the color of the twilly with the hardware. So for example, if you watch my last video, you'll notice for my Craig Birkin 25, I actually got, a yellow and white grayish twilly for it, because I think the yellow matches perfectly with the rose gold hardware. And yeah, and what's so special about this twillion is, let me show you, it also comes with this cute little bow tie. So what you can do is you can actually, tie this little bow tie to the twillion. So let me show you really quickly. Oops. So you can tie it to the twillion, and so that you can see like this little bow tie here. And when you kind of like, tied it to the back of your Birkin, it will come with this little cute, a bow here. So I absolutely adore it. I think it will just like add some extra, color to my Birkin and make it even more special. So that's the twillion that I got for myself. And the other 2, okay, just like a bit preview. So the other 2 are actually leather goods that are pretty hard to get. So guess what they are? Okay, this is the second one. Can you guess from the size what it is? Let's unbox it together. Are you excited? It's a small leather good and is very, very popular at the moment. It's one of the newest, design from Hermes. And yes, here it is. Can you tell what it is? Let me show you. Ta-da! Yes, so it is the ruleless sling. Oh, so cute. So this is, some people may think that this is in the classic gold color. It is not. It's actually a new color that they introduced in 2020. It's called Brick, if I remember correctly. But what's so special about this color is it comes with like the white stitching. Yeah, surprisingly, because usually only gold or, you know, taupe comes with white stitching. But the fact that this, you know, color also, or blush, I forgot the name of this color, also come with like white stitching, it just makes it super special. And I saw online there's so many different ways to wear it. So you can, you know, like you can wear a belt, wear it on a belt and kind of like wear it like so, or you know, you can use, let's say, the Twillion that I just got, and yeah, just carry it like so, because you can easily, let me show you really quickly, you can easily do something like that and make it like a shoulder bag, you know, or like a crossbody bag. Some people will use the chain from Hermes. So there are multiple ways to wear this, you know, little ruleless sling. So it's a relatively newer design, and they also came with, you know, the Constance sling, but I would say the ruleless sling is more functional because it's quite spacious inside, and you can fit a ton of stuff or like card into, you know, this single pocket. And then you can see like inside it came with like 2 card slots, and it's versatile. So inside this little pouch is in color Blue Frida. So I believe this is your newest color in 2021. And I just really like this contrast, you know, of Blue Frida, which is a pop of color, and also with this very classic, you know, a brick color. So absolutely adore it, but I'm not planning to keep it for myself. Yeah, but super happy that I got to see it. When I saw it in the store, it's just like sitting on the shelf, super beautiful. And I was debating between this bag and the other bag that I was going to show. Yes, I got 2 leather goods. Yeah, I would call this a bag. Would you call it a bag? Because yeah, a lot of like, you know, mini size handbag are of similar size. So especially the ones from Chanel. But yeah, I was debating so hard between this one and also this bag. This is definitely a classic handbag from Hermes. It is one of their, you know, one of the most affordable bag, and some people will buy it as their first ever Hermes handbag. So let's see together what it is. Let's unbox it together. Super exciting. Okay, can you guess from the size? And obviously, if you can buy it directly from the store, it's not one of the Kodo bags. So please don't get too excited. But I would say like this is a very popular mini size bag. And it is the Mini Evelyn. Oh, how cute it is. And it's also like in a different material. So instead of like all leather, so you can see like on the side, and also like the buckle here are made of leather. But the remaining of the material is like made of, I don't really recall like precisely what this is made of, but maybe it's like the horse hair or something like that. I find it super special. Although I was a little bit hesitant at first because I'm worried like maybe like the color is too dark for summertime. But hey, like who can reject or who can resist a Mini Evelyn? So Evelyn came in different sizes. I think they have like 29, 33 or something. And this is the so-called like TPM size. And it is their smallest size for Evelyn. and you can wear it crossbody. One interesting that I found about this mini Evelyn is I thought like the buckle is here in the front and then you can open it, you know, kind of pulling it out well, in reality, the buckle is actually in the back. So there's like one button in the back, and what's so special is like the button is also made in leather. So I thought it also came in, you know, the gold hardware similar to what we see on the side, but no, it's made of leather. And inside it has this dust bag for their strap. Unfortunately, the strap is not made of leather, so it is just like this very regular, you know, canvas strap. But the fact that it came in the gold hardware, actually is it gold or rose gold? I feel like, let me just compare really quick. Yeah, I think this is gold hardware. The fact that it came in gold hardware make it really cute. And yeah, I just can't resist. I thought like I should definitely take it, but maybe I won't keep it. Please let me know, comment down below whether I should keep this, because I feel like I went a little bit crazy recently, you know, buying 3 Birkins in 6 months. If you haven't watched that video, please check it out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing with me. Yeah, I think I just unboxed like 3 items in one video, and I couldn't, you know, decide which of the 2 that I should get, so I just ended up getting both. I hope I don't regret my decision. I'm sure I won't, because like both of these bags are super, you know, sought after at the moment, super popular. And yeah, if you want me to do more detailed review of either of this bag, please comment down below and let me know. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!